If you're on the market for a new Vitamix blender, then you've probably considered the Vitamix A2300 and the Vitamix A2500. But which is right for you? And most importantly, what are the key differences? I'll explain everything you need to know in just a sec, but first, make sure to click the links in the description below to check the current price for each of these products, as the cost can often change. And with that said, let's get straight into this Vitamix A2300 versus a 2500 comparison. Both the Vitamix A2300 and A2500 pack a powerful punch with their 2.2 peak horsepower motors. You'll find these motors can handle tough ingredients like nuts, seeds, and frozen fruits with ease. The blade design is identical for both models. They feature hardened stainless steel blades that can pulverize even the toughest ingredients and turn whole foods into smooth purees or creamy smoothies, where the A2500 edges ahead is in its pre-programmed settings. You get 3 preset programs for smoothies, hot soups, and frozen desserts. This means you can walk away while your A2500 does the work. The A2300, on the other hand, requires manual control throughout the blending process. However, both models offer variable speed control, giving you precise texture control so that you can start slow to chop ingredients, then ramp up to high speeds for ultra-smooth blends. Similarly, the pulse feature on both blenders lets you quickly chop ingredients or add final touches to your recipes. It's great for making chunky salsas or thick nut butters. In terms of efficiency, both the A2300 and A2500 are equipped with self-detect technology. This feature optimizes blending times based on the container size you're using, ensuring consistent results every time. When it comes to versatility, the A2500 has a slight edge. It features 3 pre-programmed settings for smoothies, hot soups, and frozen desserts. This means you can simply press a button and walk away, letting the blender do the work for you. The A2300, while lacking these preset programs, still offers variable speed control and a pulse feature. You'll need to manually adjust the settings, but you can achieve the same results with a bit more hands-on approach. Both models excel at crushing ice, blending frozen ingredient, making nut butters, and creating hot soups through friction heating. Both the Vitamix A2300 and A2500 come with the same 64-ounce low-profile container. You'll appreciate its wide base, which makes it easier to scoop out thicker blends like nut butters or dips. The containers are made of BPA-free Eastman Triton copolyester, ensuring durability and safety for your blending needs. This material resists stains and odors, keeping your blender looking and smelling fresh. You'll find the clear measurement markings on the side of each container handy for precise recipes. The spout design allows for smooth pouring, reducing spills and messes in your kitchen. Both models are compatible with other Vitamix container sizes, giving you flexibility to expand your blending options in the future. The Vitamix A2300 and A2500 share similar control layouts, but there are a few key differences to note. Where the A2500 stands out is its 3 pre-programmed settings for smoothies, hot soups, and frozen desserts. These one-touch programs take the guesswork out of blending common recipes. The A2300 lacks these preset options, requiring more manual control. Both models are compatible with the Vitamix Perfect Blend app, allowing you to access additional preset programs and recipes through your smartphone. This feature expands the versatility of both blenders. While the A2500's preset programs offer added convenience, some users prefer the fully manual control of the A2300. Your choice may depend on whether you value pre-programmed settings or enjoy having complete control over your blends. As I mentioned earlier in my Vitamix 2500 versus a 2300 comparison, both the Vitamix A2300 and A2500 boast impressive smart features to elevate your blending experience. You'll find built-in wireless connectivity on both models, allowing them to connect to the Vitamix Perfect Blend app. This app opens up a world of possibilities, giving you access to hundreds of recipes and the ability to adjust blending times and speeds for perfect results. It's like having a personal chef guiding you through each blend. With the A2500, you can simply select a program and walk away, letting the blender do the work for you. The A2300 requires manual control throughout the blending process. Both models feature a programmable timer, allowing you to set precise blending durations for consistent results every time. You'll also enjoy the convenience of a digital display, making it easy to monitor your blending progress. Both the Vitamix A2300 and A2500 come with a standard set of accessories to get you started on your blending journey. You'll receive a 64-ounce low-profile container, perfect for making large batches of smoothies or soups. The tamper tool is included with both models, helping you push ingredients down towards the blades for smoother blending. You'll also get a cookbook filled with delicious recipes to inspire your culinary creations. Both models are compatible with Vitamix's range of additional containers and attachments. You can purchase a 48-ounce stainless steel container, a 48-ounce dry grains container, a food processor attachment, and an air disc container. These accessories expand your blending options, allowing you to tackle smaller batches or specific tasks like grinding grains.